we can find the need to do a clear and a cleanse of our space or of ourself many times through our life, particularly times like at present where we're in a high energy in our eclipse gateway. We've just had a very intense full moon. If you are struggling with the energies, this might be the perfect time for you to be able to pull out your favorite cleansing herbs and to smoke cleanse around yourself and also your home or your space. There are other times too, of course, when we move house, that tends to be the first thing that I do. Or if you adopt any secondhand items, it's good to cleanse those as well. If you have any animals that start to refuse to go in any particular space, definitely do a bit of a cleanse of some sort to shift out whatever is stuck there. If you find that there's a run of bad luck or that there's been quite a bit of illness in your household, that is a really great time to cleanse. And also, if there's been a lot of intense energy and emotion, maybe sadness, grief, anger, jealousy, whatever, it is good to do a big cleanse after that. Or if people that you don't see eye to eye with, that maybe bring more of a negative vibe, come and visit, definitely time for a cleanse. Now, if you would like to learn more about how to clear your energy and lots of different ways to do it, and maintain your energy, we are running a workshop next week, and I'd love you to check out more.